The Intermodal Security Training and Exercise Program. What is ISTEP? The Transportation Security Administration's Intermodal Security Training and Exercise Program, or ISTEP, provides exercise, training, and security planning tools and services to the transportation community. ISTEP aims to mitigate risks associated with transportation security through partnerships, information sharing, and collaboration across different modes of transportation. ISTEP brings public and private sector partners together to exercise, train, share information, and address transportation security issues to protect travelers, commerce, and infrastructure. Working alongside transportation modes, ISTEP enables security partners to enhance security capabilities by conducting exercises and training that test security plans and emergency procedures and sharpen skills in incident management, collaborating with modal partners, state and local officials, law enforcement personnel, first responders, government transportation and homeland security leaders, and industry representatives to address transportation security issues and build partnerships. Aligning program needs based on a deeper understanding of lessons learned, best practices, insights about transportation security, and possible grant opportunities. The benefits of ISTEP. ISTEP is a training and exercise resource. All areas of transportation can benefit from utilizing ISTEP, including highway and motor carrier, freight rail, aviation, port and intermodal, mass transit, pipeline, and the postal and shipping industries. These public and private sector partners can analyze and evaluate their security plans, procedures, and protocols by utilizing ISTEP's expertise and resources. ISTEP is the only federal exercise program to focus on the security nexus of the intermodal transportation environment. As a result, the program reduces risk to individual systems as well as the entire transportation network. Ultimately, lessons learned from ISTEP exercises, training, and workshops help shape national transportation security policy. Accessing ISTEP resources. Many of ISTEP's resources are accessed through EXIS, which guides users through a step-by-step process for conducting and evaluating exercises. Other ISTEP resources available include materials to assign and assess exercise roles and responsibilities, an inventory of exercise scenarios and objectives, templates for developing exercise planning and evaluation documents, and tools for training and security planning. ISTEP stakeholders should regularly access EXIS to find out more about these and additional resources as they are added. What's next? Overview of EXIS features. The next tutorial provides details about the main features within EXIS.